Hello everyone, good morning to all of you. Welcome to my YouTube channel Online GSGK Knowledge. This is the episode number 9 of Daily Current Affairs. So please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button to get the more videos notification. Now today start. First quiz. Which country has launched its first military communication satellite? Army, Navy, Air Force Satellite Information System 2. That is AN ASIS second. Right answer is option number B, South Korea. South Korea launched the first military communication satellite, Army, Navy, Air Force Satellite Information System second. That is ANASIS second. The satellite was deployed into a geostationary transfer orbit by a Falcon 9 rocket developed by US space firm SpaceX. It was lifted from the Air Force Station in the US state of Florida. With this launch, South Africa has become the 10th country to own a military-only communication satellite, which will provide permanent and secured military communications. ANASIS second is SpaceX first geostationary transfer orbit mission of 2020. The satellite is expected to reach its orbit of 36,000 km in 2 weeks. And the capital of South Korea is Seoul and currency is South Korea won. This is the location of South Korea and 38-degree parallel channel separates North Korea and South Korea. That is, it forms border between North Korea and South Korea. Next question. Who has appointed as the MD and CEO of Karur West Bank? Right answer is option number D. Ramesh Babu Boddu. Karur West Bank Board of Directors has appointed Ramesh Babu Boddu as an additional director and appointed him as managing director and CEO for 3-year tenure. He replaces P.R. Seshadri, who resigned in January 2020, citing personal reasons. The tenure is effective from the date of taking charge on the terms and conditions approved by the RBI under Section 350-35B of Banking Regulation Act 1949. The headquarters of Karur West Bank in Tamil Nadu. Next question. Union Power and New and Renewable Energy Minister Rajkumar Singh inaugurated India's first EV electric vehicle charging plaza at which state or UT? Right answer is option number C. Delhi. Minister of State for Power and New and Renewable Energy Rajkumar Singh inaugurated India's first public EV, that is electric vehicle charging plaza, inaugurated by R.K. Singh at Chelmsford Club in New Delhi in order to make e-mobility hassle-free and convenient for consumers. This plaza has been established by Energy Efficiency Service Limited, that is EESL, a joint venture of public sector undertaking under Ministry of Power in collaboration with the New Delhi Municipal Council, which will host 5 electric vehicle chargers of different specifications. The minister also launched a national program, namely retrofit of air conditioning to improve indoor air quality for safety and efficiency, in order to alleviate the issue of bad air quality in workspace and to develop healthy and energy efficient building. Next question. Indian Navy undertook a short joint naval passage exercise, that is PASEX, with which country navy near the Andaman and Nicobar Island in Indian Ocean region? Right answer option number A, United States. Indian Navy undertook a short joint naval passage exercise, that is PASEX, with the United States Navy near the Andaman and Nicobar Island in the Indian Ocean region to conduct maritime drills against the backdrop of India-China border standoff in Ladakh. Both naval forces conducted high-end exercise designed to maximize training and interoperability, including air defense. The passage exercise involved a total of 8 Indian and ocean warships, which are the capital of United States is Washington DC, and President Donald Trump, and currency is dollar. Next question: Who has launched Punjab National Bank nationwide corporate social responsibility campaign to prevent the spread of COVID-19 by distributing face masks and sanitizing? Right answer option number A, Harshvardhan. The Union Minister of Health and Family Welfare, Harshvardhan, launched Punjab National Bank's nationwide corporate social responsibility campaign to prevent the spread of COVID-19 by distributing face masks and sanitizers. The bank will be providing COVID-19 related prevention material to 662 districts throughout the country. The MD and CEO of PNB Bank is SS Mallikarjun Rao and headquartered in New Delhi. Next question: Who will receive Tunj Media Award? Right answer is option number A, Arnab Chaudhary. The Legend of Animation Award, instituted by the Tunj Media Group as the part of Animation Masters Summit 2020 digital edition, will be posthumously conferred to the legendary animation director Arnab Chaudhary. The award is being presented for his invaluable contribution to animation and entertainment industry of India. Arnab, who passed away on December 25, 2019, was one of the pioneers of Indian animation industry, and his animation movie Arjun the Warrior Prince is the only animation from India to date to be longlisted for Oscar Award. And other option also related to award. Sachin Awasthi has been honored with the top published award in the Global Humanitarian Award. And K. Sivan awarded with Own Karman Award, and Ved Prakash Dudeja awarded with Infra Business Leader of the Year. Next question: the creator of brown bear mascot Misa for 1980 Moscow Summer Olympic, Victor Chichiko, passed away. He was option number A. He was an illustrator. The creator of brown bear mascot Misa for 1980 Moscow Summer Olympic, Victor Chichako, passed away. The artist's drawings were used in popular magazines including Young Naturalist, Twinkles, Funny Pictures, and Murjilika. Next question: Who has inaugurated the Air Force Commanders Conference AFCC at Air Headquarters, that is Vai Bhavan, New Delhi? Right answer is option number A, Rajnath Singh. Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh has inaugurated the Air Force Commanders Conference, that is AFCC, at Air Headquarters, New Delhi. The conference will be held with the theme IAF in the next decade. AFCC is a three-day conference which will be chaired by Chief of Air Staff, Air Chief Marshal R.K.S. Bhadoria. Next question. Which organization has provided drones named Bharat to Indian Navy? Right answer is option number A. Defense Research and Development Organization, that is DRDO, has provided drones named Bharat to the Indian Army. The indigenously developed drones are sent in order to provide accurate surveillance along the line of actual control in high altitude and mountainous terrain of eastern Ladakh. The Bharat drone, a series of drones that comes under one of the world's largest and agile drone surveillance system and is made in India. Next question. Who hosted the 45th India's Idea Summit 2020 on July 2022? Right answer is option number D. India Business Council. India Business Council will hosted the 45th India Idea Summit 2020 on July 2022. Second, the summit convenes business and government leaders for discussion on the future of US-India partnership and trends shaping globalization, trade and investment and future for work in COVID and beyond. This year's focus is on building a better future. The summit will feature a high-powered lineup of both public and private sector speakers. This is the last question of the video, and if you like this video, then please subscribe and share this video at least in one study group. This is the end of the video. Thank you.